this module. This is a ESP32 Microcontroller, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module, 3-in-1. This is the Wi-Fi antenna or the antenna of the module. We have the micro USB. What is our project? We're going to turn on and off these two LED using the Bluetooth function of this module. Okay. First, let us put it into the breadboard. And then connect the cable, micro USB, and the other end USB to the computer. We're going to check if there is a USB driver for the module. We need that USB driver to connect this module to the computer. We now finish checking the USB driver. So it is installed already. So it means there is a driver now for this board. In order to connect to the computer, you need that driver, CP2102 USB driver, to connect this USB to the computer. And now we're going to install the ESP32 board driver, the driver of the chip, because we're going to use only the Bluetooth function of this device. So we're going to install the ESP32 board driver, this one. We're going to use the Arduino Uno program, software, or code, or IDE. We are done now with the uploading the board driver of the ESP32. So we have now the driver for this module, or the board driver of this module. And the next thing we're now going to do is upload the Bluetooth code for our project. Two LEDs for our project we're going to do. Okay, let us upload the code. Now the LED red and blue connected to pin 22 and 23 according to the code we used, and then the ground 22 23 ground. Okay, let us connect the power. Connect the power to control the LED. We need the cell phone. Okay, we need the cell phone. We're going to download the Play Store. We are going to download the apps that we're going to use. What apps? Arduino Bluetooth Control. This Arduino Bluetooth Control, but we already installed the apps. We have now the apps already installed. Going to open, and then let us check the connection. Connect the Bluetooth. ESP32 LED control, pairing, pairing, okay, paired device, ESP32 LED control, paired device. Going back to the apps, let us check the recycle This one, the recycle icon. Select the device, ESP32. Connected. ESP32 LED control. And then for the button and slider. So here, we're going to configure this. Configure the button. Where is that? Command and button configuration. For LED 1, that is capital letter A, okay. Button B, small letter A for the up, that is according to the code. Big letter A, letter B for the LED blue, and then the small letter B for the LED blue up. Button E for both LED on, and button F both LED off, turning off this LED. Okay, let us check. So you can see here, capital letter A, small letter B, small letter AB, small letter AB. If we press the A, okay, letter A, LED red turns on. Small letter A, button B, off. A, on, off. Letter B or off, on, off. Button 3, on, off. Pressing the button 5, both LED turns on. Button 6, off, on, off. Again, letter A, on, off, on, off, on, but off. We have now the ESP32 Bluetooth 2 LED control circuit diagram. This is now the ESP32 ground 5 volts from the USB connected to the computer. Also, we can use a power bank 5 volts to connect to the USB to power this ESP32. And then the pin out, or the digital pin out, D22 connected is the resistor, and then the red LED for 70 ohms red LED, and then D23 digital pin 23 connected is 330 ohms with blue LED. So we have two LEDs from digital pin 22 and 23, the output to the ground, and to the ground. So we only using two LED and this microcontroller Bluetooth Wi-Fi module.